What's up, guys? My video for you today is from identifying quadratic patterns in the Algebra 2 course in the section of the topic on polynomial factorization. Certain things we need to understand are those basic structures that you can apply to factoring polynomials. The question that I have right here is x plus 1, that quantity is squared, and we're going to subtract it by 4y squared. This should automatically make us start to see something like a pattern or a structure in factoring. For example, the fact that we have x plus 1 squared, and if you rewrite 4y squared as 2y and that quantity squared, we're really dealing with a difference of squares problem. In a difference of squares problem, u plus v times u minus v, the plus and minus flip-flop, that's the structure of a difference of squares. Here's our next one, x to the fourth plus 3x squared y. I'm looking at this one and I didn't notice any patterns, any duplicates that we could use, any breakings down. Feel free to go back and rewatch it one more time, but there wasn't any pattern to that one. 9x to the sixth plus 6x to the third y plus y squared. I noticed that x to the sixth and then x to the third is kind of a structure of what you get when you write a quadratic equation. I also noticed that using this concept of 2, 1, none, or none, 1, 2 with the exponents of y go none, 1, 2. So that's actually setting up a structure for an equation. I looked at how x to the sixth we can rewrite as x to the third and that quantity squared. And then I started looking at things that I could factor, like 9 and 6. They both have a 3 in common. I'm looking at the fact that 9 is the a coefficient, 1 is the c coefficient. And if we use the AC group and factor method, then factors of 9 that add to 6 are 3 and 3. So we're going to take that 9x to the third quantity squared plus 3x, instead of writing it as a 6, I'm going to break that 6 into 3 plus 3. I'm breaking it into 3x to the third y plus 3x to the third y. This is a really, really intense group and factor process. But when I do that, I notice that 3x to the third is a common factor in the first two terms, and y is a common factor in the second two terms. So factoring out things that they have in common, really what we're left with is a consistent 3x to the third plus y. Factor that away, we're left with another 3x to the third plus y. So this is 3x to the third plus y squared. And when we see a structure like that, we're having two things that we add, call it what it is. That's a really intense problem right there. The idea behind it of what it is to square a binomial, really looking at some structures there. Not easy, I understand. Give this video another watch. Get some practice in. It's only going to become better with practice. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for doing some math with me. See you in the next video.